This is for Lindsay, right here.
Welcome to Heidi. Let's have some fun.
And minimum bet for Lindsay. Let's win some money. There we go. That's a win, right? There's something good. Big winner. Second spin, baby. Big money. Check in later. I hope I win a lot. Yummy, blowing right into me.
Good job, contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Okay, that's hard. But so far, okay, contestant number 4. 1 and 2, thank you. Okay, senoritas, step forward. One more time, okay? Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Okay, so we have the winner over here. Yes, señorita, you're gonna represent the Carnival Horizon in the International Olympic Games for carving coffee. Yeah!
And here we have a beer cart. Finally, where you can get a beer. And look, no line. Yay, beer drinkers win. So I just came back from the Serenity deck. I was hanging out up there for, God, it must have been almost 3 hours. Got a little sun. That's what I'm here for, to get some sun like everybody else. It was a pretty good time. It was kind of weird not having Lindsay there, being by myself. I'm sure a lot of people were looking at me going, loser, but that's all right. I am a loser at the casino. But anywho, yeah, we hung out there. They just had the pumpkin carving contest, or I hung out there because Addison can't go up there because she's too young. I don't know what she's at. She's out running around with her friends that she met already. Now I'm gonna finish watching the Big Year. I'm sure you guys all seen it, about the bird chasers. Very good movie. If you haven't seen it, watch it. But I'm gonna finish that up, and then I don't know, probably get another beer. I definitely made sure I got my money's worth yesterday. So yesterday was worth 2 days of drink packages. So we people that are like, the drink package isn't worth it. Well, if you don't drink, it's not worth it. But we like to drink. Yesterday I got 13 down. I'm at 3 right now, I think it is. And we're at a 203. And today is Elegant Night, so we got to get dressed up, fancy clothes. But yeah, I haven't seen no fights yet. I was pretty excited when we were walking in and doing the board and stuff. I thought for sure, because the way people were running their mouths and doing what they do to be mean and stuff. And yeah, there's nothing yet, so we'll see what happens. A lot of people I heard talking about how they were doing shots of stuff and slurping down those liquid drinks, the Kiss on the Lips and stuff. They were talking about, I heard people saying they ended up staying in their cabin all day today. Well, so far, most of the day, because they drank them too fast and they got drunk. But anywho, yeah, I've seen a lot of people doing shots. One person said they did 13 shots, not drinks, she goes, just shots. Like, I would be done at 5 and throwing up at 6. I don't know how people do that stuff. But anywho, I'm gonna finish watching this movie. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still stoked about this cabin here. Being separated beds like this, we're gonna have to do this next time we, me and Lindsay, because I don't know, there's just so much room in here. with this way. If you guys had the king bed, we always do the king bed. Do you keep them separated? Leave a comment below, because I like it this way. Could be a balcony, but it is what it is. Check you later. So we got the Reuben from the deli. I don't know about this, good as fuck. Probably the best thing I've had from that deli. It's a Reuben. It's definitely 2 thumbs up. Now we're off to the casino. Yeah, he just out fishing. So what do we got here? Let's turn some light on here and see what we got. All right. Says Horizon 10287, Mr. Mike Kusgar. The fun shops are happy to deliver a little extra fun this cruise. 6 white chocolate drizzled strawberries to be delivered the second day in stateroom. This gift is complimentaries of Lindsay Kusgar. What? You're having fun. Me and the fam. What? Hope you're having fun. You two are having fun. Me and the farm miss you. Love you lots. Lindsay, Mom. Aww. So that's that. I was just saying how strawberries are probably one of the worst things to get because it's not a romantic evening. What is this? Carnival. Cookies. And a medallion. And a bottle of booze. This must be for Addison to make her smile, from John Heald. We did do the Facebook message and there's no note, so I don't know. I'd definitely rather have the cookies. All right. Thanks, Lindsay. So this is how we left the fridge. We had some pop, some beer, bottled water, and 4 of the strawberries. We did finish off the cookies, but yeah, strawberries are good if you're in the mood, but they just, I don't know. Not a fan of them. Thanks for the thought, Lindsay. We really appreciate it. Bye.